Where is Fred?
Okay, Jody, I'm here. What did you want to talk about?
Well, I don't know how to say this, and I don't want to be over, but I think that we should probably see other people.
So you're breaking up with me?
No, that's not what I want. I just want to make sure that you're the one. I just want to see other people. Just put it on pause for a moment.
Okay, well, I do get what you're saying. So, as of now, we are on pause in our relationship.
Guess so.
Thank you, Fred.
I, Jody, say that I will not get angry at you.
I, Fred, say that I will not get angry at you.
All right. I'm sorry.
This isn't the end yet, Jody. We are just on pause.
I gotta